Neural Stack combines brainwave entrainment, guided breathing, music, and other audio into customizable stacks. You can create your own stacks or choose to start with an Explore stack. In this video, we'll customize one of the Explore stacks and save our version to My Stacks. You will see tutorial buttons in the upper right corner of most of the screens and windows in the app. You can tap these to learn more about each feature. Let's get started by selecting one of the Explore stacks. The Explore stacks are organized by genre: focus, relax, meditate, and sleep. Under each genre, you'll see several categories of stacks supporting specific goals. For this example, we're going to use a focus stack. Under the focus genre, we can see several categories. Let's select productivity. There are several productivity stacks to choose from. Let's start with flow state. We can tap the stack name to view the elements. This stack has 3 elements: brainwave entrainment, guided breathing, and ambient music. Each stack element is assigned a program consisting of 1 or more stages. The brainwave entrainment is using the flow state program, a 3-stage program that begins with a centering alpha wave stage followed by a gamma wave progression to promote focus and concentration. There is also a guided breathing element that uses a box breathing pattern to promote a calm, centered state of mind. Tap the Select button to load the stack, and you'll see it appear in the Now Playing button at the bottom of the screen. We can listen to the stack by tapping the Play button. You'll hear the stack's components begin playing simultaneously, and you'll see the timer begin to count down. We can tap the Breathe button to begin the guided breathing program assigned to this stack. Rhythmic breathing calms and centers the mind, and just a few minutes of breathing at the beginning of the stack can enhance its effectiveness. Guided breathing will first display instructions on the tempo, followed by the breathing animation. In a later video, we'll create our own guided breathing program with customized tempo, colors, text, and animation. We can swipe right to exit guided breathing. We can return at any time by tapping the Breathe button again. Let's stop the audio for now and make a simple customization. We'll tap the Now Playing button to open the stack in the Stack Composer. When you open the Stack Composer for the first time, you will see a tutorial explaining the different features. The Stack Composer enables us to add, remove, and modify stack elements, adjust volume, and alter stack duration. For this video, we're just going to change the duration and save our own version of the flow state stack. Let's tap the Duration button to change the duration of the stack to 30 minutes. The stages of the flow state brainwave program will be automatically adjusted to fill the duration. Now close the duration settings. If we expand the brainwave element's details, we can see a description of the program. We can tap the stage details to view the waveforms and frequencies of each stage. We can also see the stages are proportioned. For the flow state program, 20% of the program is devoted to alpha waves, while the 2 gamma wave stages will each play for 40% of the stack duration. When you change the stack duration, the duration of each stage will be adjusted according to these percentages. In a later video, we'll cover how to remix and customize programs and how to change these percentages. Let's save our customized version of the flow state stack to My Stacks. After saving, We can access our stack from the main screen by tapping My Stacks. We can also access My Stacks from the Stack menu in the Composer here. Now that we're done, let's tap the Now Playing button to close the Composer. We can swipe right to close the Productivity Explore stacks and return to the main screen. Now, when we want to play our custom flow state stack, we can find it under My Stacks. Thank you for watching. In later videos, we'll learn how to make additional customizations.